The girls have been a wreck today. Total nutcases spooking at me walking in. Stage wouldn't eat when I separated them. I actually had to stand next to Stage. Spoiled. They're totally wigged out because of the wind. And another storm coming in. Cloudy but bright. Coming in from Connecticut like it usually does. Everything can wait. They go down to that corner when they're scared, or whatever. What Stage? I know. You're a mental case today, huh? You gonna come say hi? Kate? Kate is keeping a very close eye on Stage today. It's ridiculous. Even Stage, even Katie left some pellet grain, well, it's a hay stretcher, in her. Stage thinks I'm talking to her. No, but Kate even left stuff in her bucket to go keep an eye on Stage. So if we get a bad storm tonight, I am going to have my freaking hands full with these two. Oh, you're getting brave coming over here without Katie? Big baby. Yeah. I'll run back to Kate. Hurry up. The boogeyman knows your address. I feel bad. I gave him sedatives last night because of the fireworks, so I really don't want to today. Poor things. Well, hopefully they don't wig out too much.